everybody, welcome to my channel Maths Tech for Life. Hope you all are good. In the last video, I already discussed with you the conversion of unit by using decimal. Today also, we are going to learn the same topic. For that, I am going to tell you one trick. Did you heard this sentence? King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Most of you all thinking why I am saying this sentence. This sentence is very useful for converting units. Okay, so today's our topic is conversion of units. Conversion of units. How can we use this sentence? So in king, I am going to take K, then H, then D, then B, then D, then C, then M. Now the first thing we want to do is this is base. The base means the base units are meter for length, then liter, then gram. Okay, we are using these three. Then this for deci. That is we know 0.1. Then this centi means we want to take. That is 2 places means after decimal 2 places. Then here after this, if you are taking this as base means this is 1, 2, 3 places. That is 1, 2, 3 places. Here this is deca. Deca means 10. Then hecto. Hecto means 100. Then kilo means 1000. This is the basic idea. You have to keep it in your mind. Okay. Then if I want to convert 5 centimeter into meter. Okay, if I want to convert 5 centimeter into meter, what I want to do? The first thing we want to check is where centimeter. This is centimeter. Okay, from centimeter we are going to meter. That is going backward. Backward means how many steps we want to move? 1, 2. So first you have to write number 5. So from C you have to move 2 steps. 1, 2 steps. So 1. The second step you have to put 1 0 after decimal. This is our answer. That is 0. If you want you can take write 0. That is 0.05 meter. Understood? That is if we are using this sentence, King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk, and we can convert the units like this. That is K for kilo, H for hecto, D for deca. Then this is base units. Then this is deci, centi. Then millimeter, milli. Now we can we can convert the units like this. I will give you another example. The second example. If I want to convert 5 centimeter into kilometer. Dash kilometer. See here, first what I want to do? First I want to write 5. Okay. First I want to write 5. Then this is centimeter. From centimeter I want to go to kilometer. That is this is kilometer. So I want to count how many decimal place we want to move. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 after decimal. That is 0. So the answer is 0.0005 kilometer. Okay, I think everybody get a clear idea. Again, I am going to show you some more example. Suppose I want to convert third example. Suppose I want to convert 35 millimeter into centimeter. Again, we want to check. This is millimeter, then into centimeter. That is how many steps we are going backward. Backward means we are using decimal places. That is, this is millimeter and one step backward. So first I want to write number 35. Okay. After that, how many steps I want to move back? One step. One step means from 5 we want to move one step. So I want to put one decimal here. That is, the answer is 3.5. Then I am going to show you another example. If I want to convert 35 millimeter into meter, the first thing I want to do is I am going to write number 35. This is 35 millimeter. This is millimeter. From here we want to move up to meter. Up to this much. This is meter. So you have to count how many steps. 1, 2, 3. So I am going to write 35. Then count from here 1, 2, 3. Instead of the third number, I am going to write number 0 and put a decimal. So I am getting the answer as 0.035 meter. Again, I am going to show you one more example. Suppose I want to change 35 millimeter into kilometer. Again, I am going to check. This is for millimeter. Then kilometer is here. Okay. So how many steps I want to move backward? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 steps. So I am going to write 35. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that, put a decimal. This is our answer. 0.00035 kilometer. I hope everybody get a clear idea of conversion of units. That is, here I discussed, that is conversion of the units involving the smaller units into that is larger units, that is smaller units into larger units. If you watch my video for the first time, please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching.